Let's discuss a third question in areas related to circles. First read the question. Adjoining figure depicts an archy target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black, white. Here we have 5 regions. 5 scoring regions. The diameter of the region representing gold score, gold region diameter given, it is 21 centimeters. Okay, here given diameter equal to 21 centimeter, and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeters wide. It means thickness of other regions. This is all 10.5, this is 10.5, this region wide is 10.5, this is 10.5. Okay, find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. Here we have to find the area of each region. Is it clear? Here given 5 scoring regions. They are gold, red, blue, black and white, and given diameter of the region gold is 21 centimeters and given other bands thickness is 10.5 centimeters. Okay, so here we have to find the area of each region. What is the radius of gold region? Radius of gold region, diameter of the gold region is, diameter of gold region equal to 21 centimeters. We know radius equal to diameter by 2. So radius of gold region equal to 21 by 2, which is equal to 10.5 centimeters. Okay, here gold region radius equal to 10.5 centimeters. This is center O, radius equal to 10.5 centimeters. Next, what is the radius of the red region? Radius of the red region means radius of second circle. Suppose this is circle 1, this is circle 2, this is circle 3, circle 4, circle 5. 5 circles. First circle is gold region, radius is 10.5 centimeters. Second circle means red region, radius of red region equal to, we know this thickness equal to 10.5 centimeters and radius of gold region equal to 10.5 centimeters. Radius of gold region plus red region thickness. Radius of gold region equal to 10.5 centimeter and red region thickness equal to 10.5 centimeters. 10.5 plus 10.5, it is equal to 21 centimeters. Next, radius of circle 3, blue region. Radius of blue region, blue circle, it means circle 3. Radius of red circle plus thickness. Radius of red region thickness is, radius is 21 centimeters plus thickness 10.5, which is equal to 31.5 centimeters. Next, radius of black region. Radius of blue region, this is radius of blue region plus this thickness. Radius of blue region plus thickness, which is equal to radius of blue region 13 31.5 plus thickness of each band equal to 10.5 centimeters. It gives 42 centimeters. Next, radius of white region. Radius of white region means circle 5. Radius of black place thickness 42 plus 10.5. Radius of black region we get 42 centimeters plus thickness, which is equal to 52.5 centimeters. Okay. Here we have to find area of each region. We know area of the circle formula. Area of circle equal to pi r square. First region, gold region, area representing gold equal to pi into radius of gold square. Pi value 22/7. Radius of gold region is 21/2 whole square, which is equal to 10.5 centimeters. 22/7 into 21/2 into 21/2. 2 11s 7 3s 33 into 21/2, which is equal to 6.5. It is equal to 346.5 centimeters. Area of the gold region equal to 346.5 centimeters. Next region, area representing next region after gold. This is the red region. Area representing red region equal to pi r square. Here r is pi into red region radius whole square. See, this is the second circle. In red region, gold region also included in red region. Only we want red region area, this area. Only we want red region area. So here area of gold region also included in area of red region. So minus area of gold region. Area of gold region means pi into radius of gold region. Pi is common, or red minus or gold, which is equal to 22/7 into red region radius is 21 centimeter minus gold region is 10.5 centimeters or 21/2 centimeter. Try to simplify. Next, area of blue region. Area representing blue region, which is equal to, we know the formula for area of the circle, pi r square. Here blue region area is radius or blue square. Here red region included in blue region, so minus or red, minus pi into r square. Here pi is common, R blue is 31.5 square minus R red is 21 square. Area representing next region black. Pi is common or black minus here blue region included in black region. Radius of blue region included in black region. So minus of or here blue region is included in black region. So subtract blue region area from black region area. Pi equal to R blue equal to R black is 42 square minus R blue is 31.5 centimeters. In same way, area of white region equal to pi into or white square minus or black square. Try to solve calculations.